Thomas says agriculture is also an important source of supply of raw materials and is hailed for being the biggest contributor to any given country's GDP and international trade. In Africa, where there are enough land resources, young entrepreneurs should be encouraged to study agriculture as an untapped resource of development to employ themselves.
What we have to consider is that, agriculture is life. Agriculture is business. So that is very important. And you see, in terms of employment, you can get employed as a farmer, you can get employment as a self-employed, as an entrepreneur, but you can also get employed through other people. For example, if a farmer is producing, you can go and buy and then you sell, you are employing yourself. But also, I don't see if someone have done agriculture that they will not be able to get a job anywhere, because you can be employed everywhere, because everywhere when we are talking about human life, there is something to do with food, and when there is something to do with food, you need agriculture expert.
This year, Ogongo UNAM campus has an enrollment of close to 300 students. These students, Thomas says, see a bright future in their career.
We as the youth are the ones with the strength, the energy to do the stuff. So we just have to implement the theory that has been done by scientists and put it into practical. So I think this is where the government can come in and fund this wave of new young farmers trying to, secure food.
So there's a very fascinating science behind agriculture that a lot of people, I believe, do not know. And I just want to encourage people out there, young people, females, males, both of young people to take up agriculture, and then we can realize food security in the future.
We need capital to start with our own projects. I think the government need to do something about capitals for the newly graduates from agriculture. At least just instead of waiting for somebody to provide for us, we do something for ourselves.
Tonatenya Imbodi, NBC News, Oshakati.